So now we're going to work in 5.8. This is the applications of polynomial equations. So we're going to apply some things to the polynomial equation. We're going to do some solving. So for the first one, we have a squared minus 12a plus 27 equals 0. So what we're going to do is solve for a, or find the solutions for a. We're going to do that by factoring. So like we did in the last section, we set it up. So we find what multiplies to 27, positive 27, but will equal negative 12 when you add it, because when you have a plus sign here, that means you have same signs, which means that you'll be adding to get the middle number. So let's find factors of 27. We have 1 and 27. We have 3 and 9. And that's about it. So now, which one of these, well now because they're both positive, well, right here gives you positive, so we need a negative. Negative, so it'll be negative, 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 negative. Okay, so which one will add up to be 12? 27 and 1, that's going to be negative 1 and negative 27, that's negative 28. So that won't work. And then negative 3 and negative 9, that's negative 12. So then when we make our boxes, so we have A, we split off A first. And because they're all negative, this is minus, minus, and then we take our 3 and our 9. So now our next step, in addition to what we did before, what we're going to do is set these equal to 0, each of them, and solve for A. So A equals, well, not A equals, excuse me, A minus 3 equals 0, and then A minus 9 equals 0. So now we solve. We have to get A by itself. So in order to get A alone, I have to get rid of the 3 by adding 3, adding 3. So then I'm left with A equals positive 3. So then now I do the same thing for this side. It's negative 9, so I have to add 9 to both sides to get rid of it. A equals 9. So then the solution for this is A equals 3 and 9. Okay? And then, for example 2, we always have to check first that this equation is set to 0. This one isn't. So our goal now, we have to take that negative 36 and bring it over here. We have to bring it to the other side. So then when we bring it to the other side, remember when you cross the equal sign, it becomes its opposite. So then we left with x squared minus 12x plus 36 equals 0, because there's nothing left over there. So now we find the factors that multiply to be 36 and then add to be negative 12. So that means both our factors are going to be negative. So 36, we have 1, negative 1 times negative 36. We have negative 2 times negative 18. We also have negative 4 times negative 9. Okay. And we also have negative 3, negative 12. Okay. So we have 18, 2, 36, 1, 4, and 9. So remember, they got to add up to be 12. Okay, and then we have, what else gives us 36? We did 2 and 18. We did, 8, no, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6, negative 6. So from all these factors, the ones that add up to be 12, 6 and 6, negative 6 and 6. So then we set up our double parentheses, split up our x. So x and x. Remember they're same signs, negative, negative, minus, minus, and it's 6 and 6. So then we set each equal to 0. Now they're the same problem, so we actually don't really need to solve them both, but you can. Plus 6, x equals 6, plus 6, plus 6, x equals 6. So solution for this is x equals 6. So that's how you actually solve for a polynomial equation. That's one way to do it.